Let's learn English together every day! Let's go! Everyone in the car, it is time to hit the road! I am ready. Let's go. This is going to be a great trip. Look at this road. It is so long and so open.
I love road trips. The weather is perfect today, Betty. This is a great day to drive.
Come on, everyone, sing with me! This is our road trip song. I am singing too. I am so hungry. Can we stop for snacks? My stomach is making noises. I have snacks right here, Betty. I always come prepared for you. There is a strange noise coming from the car.
I hear it too, Betty. It started just a few minutes ago.
Bob! There is an orange light on the dashboard. What does it mean?
I am not sure, Betty, but that light was not there before. Something is wrong.
Bob, the noise is getting louder. Something is very wrong with this car.
I know, Betty. I am slowing down right now. Stay calm, everyone.
Bob, is that smoke coming from our car? I can see something.
Yes, Betty, that is smoke. I need to pull over right now.
Bob, the smoke is getting so thick. Please pull over. Pull over right now.
I am pulling over, Betty. Hold on, we are almost at the side of the road. We are stopped.
Is it over? Are we on the side of the road now? The car is completely dead! What do we do now? We are stuck on the highway!
I need to look under the hood, Betty. Something inside the engine is very wrong.
Bob, do not open that hood! It is still smoking! It could be dangerous!
I just want to take a quick look, Betty. I need to see what is wrong in there. What was that sound?
Ah! Is everyone okay? Bob, where are you?
I am here, Betty. I am fine. There is a lot of steam coming out of this engine.
There are so many pipes and wires in here. I do not know what any of this is.
I think I see the problem, Betty. I just need one more minute to be sure.
Hello? Can you hear me? We need help. Our car broke down on the highway. My phone is completely dead. I forgot to charge it last night. What do we do now? I have a very weak signal. I am going to try to call for help right now. Hello? We need help. Our car broke down on the highway. Can you hear me? Are they answering? Olivia, please tell me someone is answering that call. Do not move! I have 1 bar right here. Everyone stay very still. I have 1 bar too. I am going to try the call again right now. It is okay. I am trying again right now. We were so close! I cannot believe this is happening! A car is coming! I can see a car! Someone is driving this way right now!
I can see it too.
Quick, we need to get their attention. They are pulling over! Someone is stopping to help us! I cannot believe it! Quick, Betty, go and talk to them and explain what happened. Thank you so much for stopping. Our car broke down and we need help.
Of course, do not worry. Let me take a look at your car and see what I can do.
First we heard a loud noise, then a warning light came on, then so much steam came out.
I understand. It sounds like your engine got too hot. Let me check the coolant level right now. Your coolant pipe has a crack. Yes, I can see that too. That is exactly it was. Good news, the car is not badly damaged. Bad news, you cannot drive it until the pipe is fixed.
So we are still stuck here on the highway? We cannot drive home today?
I have a good signal right here. I will call roadside assistance for you right now.
Full signal, right here, where we are standing the whole time.
I do not need to wait. I can fix this car myself.
Full.
I just need this wrench.
Bob, please be careful, be careful. You do not know what you are doing in there.
Betty! My sleeve is stuck on something in the engine.
Bob! What were you doing in there? I can see where it is caught. Hold very still, Bob, and I will get you free right now.
Thank you, Betty. Please be careful in there. It is very tight around my sleeve. I think maybe I need a little more practice before I fix cars again.
Bob, but I love you very much. It is free! sleeve is free! I got it out. Is everyone okay back there? I have you, Betty. I have you. This is the funniest thing I have ever seen. The help is here! Oh, thanks! They finally came!
I have never been so happy to see a yellow truck in my life.
Good afternoon. I am here to help. Can you tell me what happened to your vehicle today? Oh, yes. Thank you so much for coming. We have been waiting here for such a long time. First, there was a terrible noise, then a big light, then so much steam came out everywhere. I understand. A coolant leak causing the engine to overheat. I can see that from here. Let me take a look. I can see the problem. Your coolant pipe is cracked. She found it so fast. She is very good. This pipe is cracked. That is why your car stopped. Oh, that small crack caused all of this trouble? I have the right part. I will fix this pipe right now. She is so fast. She knows exactly what to do. Go and wait at the diner. I will call you when the car is ready. A diner! Perfect! I am very hungry right now. Hello, what would you like to order today? I would like a burger, hot fries, and a big cup of coffee, please. The food is here! It looks so delicious!
I am so hungry, this is perfect right now.
It is the mechanic. She is calling us right now.
Answer it, Betty. Quickly, answer the phone.
The car! She fixed it! We can go home!
Oh, thank goodness. That is the best news today.
Come on, let's go and see our car right now! I can see the car from here. The hood is closed. It looks perfect. No smoke, no noise, nothing wrong. All fixed. The new pipe is in and the engine is cool. Thank you so much. You helped us so much today. You are very welcome. Drive safely and take care. Goodbye! Thank you for everything. You are amazing. Thank you! We did it! The car is fixed and we are ready to go home! What a day. I will never forget this trip. We had a big adventure here today.
Yes, we did. Now let's go home, Betty.
We are back on the road. The car is running perfectly again.
Good car. You had a hard day today, but you are okay now.
Your sleeve was stuck in the engine! I cannot stop laughing.
It was a very small mistake, Betty. Anyone could make that mistake.
Ask for help, stay calm, and never give up.
And we learned that Bob should not fix cars.
I can see our street. We are almost home right now.
Finally. I have never been so happy to see our neighborhood.
We are home, safe and sound at last.
Good car. You brought us home.
Tea makes everything better. That smells so good, Betty. Thank you.